Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound. This is the Patreon exclusive paracord project. You can find the tutorial how to create this awesome project on the Patreon. The design for this created by Mohammed, so thank you Mohammed for this awesome paracord project. The reason why this project is on the Patreon, as you may know or not, we run the Patreon program so we can help this channel to grow. We invest the money raised on the Patreon in the overall better production of this channel, so we can acquire better camera, better lighting, audio microphone, and so on and so on. So if you want to help this channel, you can do so by becoming the patron of this channel. Overall, thank you for your support here on the YouTube. If you like this project, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and consider joining us on the Patreon. That being said, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye.